Hi guys, Shane here from Carpentry Kitchens. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fit these sliding wardrobe doors by Howdens. This is a piece of cake, you can do it. So right now we're just removing the old doors, nothing to it. Very old doors, these mirror doors are very heavy. The mechanisms had failed on them. So the customer just wanted getting rid of and having some new doors put in. The product code for these items, the sliding wardrobe door track, was GIR 4032. And the white shaker panel doors, the code was GIR 4076. Like I said, these items were from Howdens. They were very good quality. All the sliding doors came with the hardware already fitted. So it's just a case of fitting the track, nice level, making sure the track lines up, so it's nice and aligned. The opening height needs to be approximately 2 meters 250 before fitting. Absolute easy to fit. You can fit these, anyone can fit these. Gotta make sure that bottom track is nice and flat and level, and also the top track too.